The Eternal City is stuffed with ancient history and classical treasures, but there's also plenty of things to see and do for the little ones. These are the top things to do in Rome with kids.
First, let's dress up like a gladiator and go for an adventure. Rome has many interesting highlights for kids to explore. If you are already in the city center, the cat sanctuary at Largo Tor Argentina is not to be missed. Here, while you admire the ruins of ancient Roman temples, your kids can pet fluffy cats. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Italian, naturally produced gelato is the best sweet treat for any kid. Wondering where to get one?
So if you're in Rome with your family, bring your kids to Corona, which is this amazing ice cream parlor run by a family. The ice cream is the yummiest you're ever going to try.
You want to escape the hustle and bustle? Head to Villa Borghese, Rome's second largest public park and Romans' favorite spot. Here, kids will have a chance to burn off their energy. It's a great spot to enjoy the city view, cycle all together, or
To really soak up the atmosphere, you can easily rent a boat for just a few euros and you can enjoy a great ride with the whole family.
when you're thinking about Rome, what is the first thing that pops into your mind? Pizza, of course. What could be more fun for your kids than making the delicious pizza themselves and become an Italian pizza master chef?
As you can see, the ancient city of Rome has so much to offer for kids, but their favorite thing to do is eating homemade pizza.
If you didn't have time for the pizza workshop, don't worry. You can find plenty of fornos in Rome and buy a delicious slice of pizza. It's quick and tasty.